Hey, everybody, welcome to Inside the 49ers with Jack Hammer, where we bring you some breaking news with an update around 49ers quarterback Brock Purdy. Now, according to Jeff Howe, NFL insider with The Athletic, 49ers quarterback Brock Purdy is expected to have elbow surgery next week. This news comes according to two sources with direct knowledge of the situation who requested anonymity because they were not authorized to speak publicly about it. As you may recall, Purdy was initially expected to undergo surgery last month. Dr. Keith Meister, who will be doing the procedure, went in, found ongoing swelling, and went ahead and decided to push that off. Well, now it appears that this is going to be taking place next week, which is good for the 49ers in terms of the timeline to return. Now, they're not going to know until they actually get in there what the procedure is going to be, but the 49ers and Brock Purdy are hoping that it's going to be the internal brace procedure. With that inner brace, the normal timeline is about a 6-month recovery period. That's typical with baseball players. Football players are a little bit different. We just don't have as much data when it comes to football players. But I can tell you is that if it is the internal brace, 6 months, if done early next week, would put Purdy back in with the 49ers, full go, ready for week 1. Now, Nick Mullins, 49er quarterback of the past, you might recall he sustained an elbow injury in 2020 against the Dallas Cowboys. He went through a surgery, which was the internal brace that Brock Purdy is going to have, or they're hoping to get completed there. It wasn't a 6-month time period for Nick Mullins. Instead, he was fully cleared and ready to go after 5 months. Now, a 5-month return would put Purdy back with the 49ers during training camp in time to be able to be in competition with Trey Lance for the starting role. We'll see how all this plays out. There's a lot up in the air. Still going to have to see how the procedure goes through. The timing on that will all be based on if it's going to be the internal brace or if they're going to have to do a different method, which could include Tommy John, which would put him out for a much longer period of time. But there you have it. So another update regarding Brock Purdy. He is scheduled, according to two sources, says Jeff Howe, to have his surgery to repair that UCL injury on his throwing arm next week, getting him back in time likely for week 1 of the season, depending on the process. There you have it. Keep it locked in here to Inside the 49ers with Jack Hammer for all your 49ers breaking news and content updates as they happen. Take care, everybody, and we'll be talking to you soon.